Digital technology is vital for developing economies like Fiji. Innovation is everywhere and is changing lives. At Vodafone, we are constantly pushing new boundaries to bring the next level of digital technology to all Fijians. Using Oracle autonomous databases, we can find new ways to improve our operations. This allows us to do more and continue to drive innovation. We also believe that whatever we use should be available to our customers. So we're working with local businesses to use data-driven technologies like autonomous to better their own operations. We have already seen the power of putting smartphones into the hands of the Fijian people. We can't wait to see what happens when we put the power of data into the hands of its local businesses.